Welcome back to my channel Edify. In previous session we have seen how to create pivot table. In this session let's learn how to customize calculations and formats. So let's get started. I'm using this employee based data. We created this pivot table in previous session. So let's continue with the same pivot table. If you want to customize calculation, let's say you want to perform any one of the arithmetic operation, that is sum, average, count and more. To do that, right click on the value, then choose value field settings and then select the desired calculation. Let us perform average calculation and click on OK. The calculation is done in seconds, as you can see here. This is for the calculation part. Now let's see how to style and customize formats in pivot table. Just select your pivot table and go to design, then pivot table styles to apply a pre-designed format. And for fonts and all, you can use general settings here available in home tab. And to filter and sort data, use the drop down arrows on row or column headers to sort and filter data. So this is how you can make data presentable according to requirements. You can also refresh the data to update the values in the pivot table. Just go to data tab and then click on refresh all option. Here options get displayed when we click on this. We have refresh all and refresh. Just click on refresh. The newly added data will get updated with respect to headers. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.